Okay, this is 7b96 and it's line 22, 7b96, Ballistic Transport Laser Higgs Formula, Equation Wow Seti. Here's our alien radio signal. And this is laser's formula with ballistic transport Higgs signals, neutrino particles for communications, and proton energies, super lattice quantum dots, water inventions for the UFO quantum transport device found in line 22's WOW data. So July 8th was when I was working on it. Today is the 25th. Again, we're talking about a formula, keywords from a formula from a previous video, line 22, 7b91, Aharonov-Bohm Oscillations, quantum dots formula. And the quote from wiki is, ballistic conduction, or ballistic transport, is the transport of electrons in a medium with negligible electrical resistivity due to scattering. Without scattering, electrons simply obey Newton's second law of motion at non-relativistic speeds. In general, the resistivity exists because an electron, while moving inside a medium, is scattered by impurities, defects, or by the atom's molecules, composing the medium that simply oscillate around their equilibrium position in a solid, or generically by any freely moving atom molecule composing the medium in a gas or liquid. For a given medium, one can associate to a moving electron a mean free path as the average length that the electron can travel freely, i.e. before hitting against something and deviating from its original path, possibly losing some kinetic energy. The mean free path can be increased by reducing the number of impurities in a crystal or by lowering its temperature, except for some materials like semiconductors. So July 19th, the formula number 1 from data. So there's several formulas from this data. It was been broken down into several videos. Ballistic conduction transport, electrons, medium negligible electrical resistivity scattering. Low resistivity, movement electric charge. Quote from wiki, a low resistivity indicates a material that readily allows the movement of electric charge without scattering. The formula continues here. Without scattering, electrons obey Newton's second law of motion, non-relativistic speeds. Resistivity exists, electron moving inside a medium, carbon nanotube, vacuum, scattered by impurities, diffraction. Electron ribbon pencil, laser beam, obsidian mirrors, tevatron ring, quantum dots, water, and this should be molecules. We're going to use water molecules with quantum dots. Neutrinos, alpha decay, protons, deflects, chlorine atoms, water molecules, vapor, oscillate around their equilibrium position in a solid. Higgs boson mass particles, neutrinos, freely moving atom, I'm going to have to take that up, plus molecule composing the medium. In gas, argon. Athena, neutrino data 2008. Google to see what this is. This is what comes up. Keyword Disc-Neutrino-Clusters from the source of www.themuse.nl. Formula continues from the data. Liquid-cooled plasma, Higgs boson electric field, CERN, June 2012 data. Atlas, Athena, LSCML. This should have to be your results. I'm going to have to combine them. Proton energies, moving electron, mean free path, average length, electron, travel freely before hitting, travel freely before hitting against something, colliding graphene films, deviating from its original path, losing kinetic energy. Mean free path increased, reducing number of impurities in a crystal. Crystal powder, add diamond particles, powders mixed together, plus lowering its temperature, cooled plasma, liquid argon gas, neutrino mixtures found in line 22 WOW data formulas, except from some materials like semiconductors. So these diamond particles mixed together, there are formulas found in line 22 data, and then we'll cross-reference this from lines 1 to 27 once everything's done, okay? Crystals come up all through everything so far. July 19th, the keyword ballistic conduction or ballistic transport, and more formulas continue in the next several videos. And so what I do is I take the keywords from the actual wording, and then I add things that go with it, and you create a formula by sticking those words together. Thanks for watching.